Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to be sharing my experience with Hellofresh. I've got the box here. Let me just show you guys. So this box arrived this morning. This is how big it is. So this is the first time I'm actually buying a Hellofresh box, and to be honest, I've been wanting to try it out for some time. So during Halloween they had an offer going on, and I thought, you know what, this will be the best time to try it out and see if it will be something that would work out for us or not. So I thought I'll share that experience with you guys. So if you have any like dietary requirements, if you eat halal or a vegetarian or anything like that, I thought I'll share my experience just to give you guys some idea. To start out, Hellofresh has different types of boxes, and initially I wanted to choose the family box, but then I found out with the family box you can't really set yourself up as a vegetarian or anything else, and it wasn't really suitable for vegetarian or any other dietary requirement, so I had to settle for the classic box. So with the classic box you can put yourself down as a vegetarian or any, and they've got other options like no pork, no fish and things like that that you can choose from, which they do not have for the family box. So if you want to try out Hellofresh for the first time and you have dietary requirement, then just keep that in mind when you sign up. So far from my experience, their customer service has been brilliant. I initially chose the family box, and then to find out that it wasn't really suitable for myself, then I called the customer service and they like refunded me and then put me on the classic box, and with no trouble really, they did everything. So the customer service is brilliant. Okay, other thing I wanted to say is, obviously if you eat halal, with the Hellofresh, they obviously the meat is not halal, so the only options you would have will be vegetarian or seafood. And the only other thing I would say to keep in mind is, if you choose seafood or vegetarian food, you need to look out for any like alcoholic ingredients as well. That's something to bear in mind. You are able to choose your meals, and I personally chose meals for 4 people because there's 4 of us for 3 days. But anyway, before I talk for too long, I am gonna let you guys see the content of this box, and I might even share with you one of the meals that I do make. So I'm gonna move over to my kitchen and open the box and show you guys what's in there. Okay guys, so these are the 3 bags that I have. 1, 2, 3. They are numbered. So okay, so the number goes with the number on the card. So this is number 15, meal bag 15, so that goes with that. Yeah, this one is 7, goes with that, and this one is 6, so that goes with that. So yeah, I have this garlic just fell out from one of the meals, and the other things that I had that were in an ice pack was prawns and yogurt, and this I believe is sweet potato. Yes. So one thing that I wasn't really sure about from getting things from Hellofresh was having to cut and dice things. So I'm really happy that the sweet potatoes have already been cut for me, because that is a job that I personally don't like doing. So yeah, so this is I'm impressed with this. So I think it's really handy that the meals come like all the ingredients of one meal are in a pack, and you also get the recipe that has the same number, and you know which recipe or which box goes with what meal, and when you decide what meal you want to make, you just pick up that bag, which I think this is really handy. I could just stick this in the fridge, and then when I want to make it, I'll just take the whole bag out and all my ingredients will be in there. There are a few things that they don't include in the box, such as obviously water is not included, and oil as well is not included. So, and I think salt as well is not included. But other seasoning and things like that are all included. I will show you guys one of the meals that I'm gonna make, and I'll just show you guys what's in it in the box and the end product as well. So guys, I've decided to make the prawn and avocado dish today. So I get the recipe card, which is here. It's got all the ingredients on this side. It tells you how long it takes roughly. I'll just turn it over. So the other side of the card, it has the instructions on how you cook this dish. On this side, it has the ingredients and the amount, and also the nutritional value of the recipe as well. But just make sure that you note that this is based on the 2 people recipe. So this is what came out of the box. So I have rice, 2 packs of rice, coriander, prawns, got soy sauce, honey, carrot, avocado, lime, and 1 chili. Now my first impression is that this might not be enough for adults, but it says 4 people, so I'm assuming it's for adult. But yeah, let's see how we get on. So I'm just gonna prep this and get cooking. I've got the kids around as well who want to help. So I got the rice in boiling water and set the timer for 8 minutes. So I have the veg prepped. I didn't have a grater, which took me longer to cut the carrots. Over to this side, I have the sauce, and this is the rice that has just come out. Frying the prawns now. So guys, this is the rice with the carrots and coriander and the zest as well. It's almost done. All I have to do is plate it with the veg. As I said, I didn't have a grater. It's something that I forgot that I don't have. I need to buy one because our old one got damaged. But yeah, so I'm going to be plating it now. So guys, this is the final dish. Obviously my plate might not look as professional as the pros, but yeah, this is the final look, and it tastes delicious. It was quite simple to make. It took me about the same time as they said it would. It just took me a little bit longer because obviously I was filming and I've got the kids here as well. But yeah, so this is the food plated. Now that you've seen the dish that I have made, I thought I'll tell you guys a little bit about Hellofresh. Obviously this is not an ad, but I thought I'd tell you guys that it is a weekly subscription. So once you sign up, you will get a box every week. They do have the ability for you to actually skip a week or even 2 weeks. So every week you get a cutoff point where you can skip a week, or if you choose to get the box delivered, you can choose the meals that you have. What the system does, it will automatically choose dishes for you. But obviously if you want to choose the dishes yourself, you get that cutoff point where you've got like a week or so to choose which dish that you like, and then that's what they will deliver to you. And obviously at any point you can cancel the subscription. If anybody wants to try it out, I get a code like any other customer, where if you can refer like a friend or other people, where you will get £20 off your first box, and I also get £20 off. So just to let you guys know, for full disclosure, I'll put that link in the description below if you do want to try out the box. Overall, I did like the dishes that I got. I enjoyed the meals. I was able to make them in more or less the same amount of time that they said, and they were not complicated. The recipe cards had step-by-step instructions for you to make the dish, which made it quite easy and simple, and obviously all the ingredients were there. What I'm gonna do, guys, is I am going to try the other services available. I'm going to be trying Gasto services next time. I will also film that and let you guys know how I found it. So I might do a little series of this food subscription services that are available out there. So if you are interested in that, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell button to be notified when I post. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Let me know any comments that you may have if you've tried Hellofresh or any other box services that you may have tried or would like me to try. Leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Otherwise, I would love to see you guys at my next video.